To carry out tests in Baseline, you need first to log in. I'm going to log in as a user called Harry who hasn't done any tests yet. So I'm going to start by looking at my progress. So you can see Harry has done no tests, so all of the tests have got zeros in them. And a quick way to go to a test is just to click on the one that you want. So we're going to start with test 1, question 1. For each of these questions, we need to simplify the expression. In the first question, the factors of 24 are 2 and 3, and the factors of 70 are 2 and 5 and 7. So 2 is the only common factor, so the answer to that will be 12 divided by 35. In the second question, the factors of 35 are 5 and 7, and the factors of 42 are 2 and 3 and 7, which means 7 is the only common factor, so we'll divide the top by 7, giving us 5, and we'll divide the bottom by 7, giving us 6. And we can carry on like this until all the questions are answered, and then when we submit them, the test is now closed. We can now look at my progress. So my progress is saying that we've answered 2 questions and we got 2 right, and if we click the arrow here, the arrow says that there is only one test, and if we click on that arrow it says 12 out of 35 was correct and 5 out of 6 was correct, but all the other answers were wrong because we didn't submit anything. So now we can go back to the test, and this time we'll do all of the answers. So 15 and 21 have got a common factor of 3, so that's going to give us minus 5 over 7. The factors of 24 are 2 and 3, and the factors of 98 are 2 and 7, which means 2 is the only common factor, so the answer to this one will be minus 12 over 49. For question 3, the factors of 30 are 2 and 3 and 5. The factors of 98 are 2 and 7. So again, 2 is the only common factor, so we're going to get 15 over 49. In the next question, the factors of 35 are 5 and 7, and the factors of 49 are just 7, so we're going to get 5 over 7 as the answer. In the last question, the factors of 28 are 4 and 7. The factors of 84 are 4 and 3 and 7, which means 28 is a factor of both, so the answer to that will be 1 over 3. So we click on submit and our answer is submitted and they're correct. So now if we go back to my progress, we can see that our best test is recorded as 6 over 6, and if we click on the yellow arrow there, we have 2 tests. The most recent one is the top one. Here's the test where we got 2 out of 2 right, and this is a test where we got 6 out of 6 right, and if we click on this arrow we'll see all of the tests, and here we have the question, the computer's answer and your answer, question 2, the computer's answer, your answer, and so on. These arrows are marked red for when you've not made much progress, amber for when you've made a bit of progress, and green when you've made good progress. And the ultimate target is to get 6 out of 6 for all of the tests. You can choose any test by clicking on its location. So if we want to do test 3 question 4, we click on there and we go to test 3 question 4.